Breathe safely. Understanding welding respirators. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an important topic for anyone involved in welding or who is interested in safety equipment: welding respirators. Understanding what they are and why they're crucial can make a big difference in health and safety. So, let's get started and explore the world of welding respirators together. A welding respirator is a type of protective mask designed to filter out harmful particles and fumes generated during welding processes. Welding can produce a variety of hazardous materials, including gases and fine particles, that can be dangerous when inhaled. Welding respirators are specifically designed to protect welders from these risks, ensuring that they breathe clean, filtered air. The importance of welding respirators cannot be overstated. Welding environments can contain harmful substances such as metal fumes, gases, and particulate matter. Prolonged exposure to these hazards can lead to serious health issues, including respiratory problems, lung disease, and even certain types of cancer. By wearing a welding respirator, welders can significantly reduce their risk of inhaling these dangerous substances, protecting their health in both the short and long term. Welding respirators come in several types, each designed for different environments and levels of exposure. The most common types include disposable respirators, lightweight and designed for single use. These are suitable for short-term tasks. Half-mask respirators. These cover the nose and mouth and can be equipped with replaceable filters. Full-face respirators. Offering full-face protection. These respirators protect against eye irritation from welding fumes and provide a wider range of protection. Powered air purifying respirators, PAPRs. These use a battery-powered blower to pull air through filters, providing a higher level of protection and comfort. Selecting the right welding respirator depends on several factors, including the type of welding, the materials being used, and the duration of exposure. Here are some tips for choosing the right one. Assess the hazard. Understand the specific hazards of your welding environment. Consider comfort. Ensure the respirator fits well and is comfortable for long periods of use. Filter efficiency. Choose a respirator with filters that are effective against the specific contaminants you'll be exposed to. Certification. Look for respirators that meet local and international safety standards. We hope this video has shed some light on the importance of welding respirators and how they can protect your health. Remember, the right respirator can be a welder's best defense against harmful substances. Always choose wisely and stay informed about your safety equipment. Thank you for watching, and stay safe out there. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative content. See you in the next video.